Hello and good morning. I am Narayan and I am going to present on the topic of disgruntled customer, which is case study of chapter 9. Before discuss about the case, let's briefly analyze the situation. Here Brenda receives a voicemail from the Susan, a regular customer of the company regarding the issue of delivered product. She asks Brenda to refund her money and get back her product as soon as possible. She was really freaked out with the service. She actually ordered an extra toner but never got that. And the machine that she got was really slow and does not even last for the 1 month. Susan was really frustrated and blamed her for the worst service and fraud. So in this situation we will be discussing how the Brenda can analyze and provide a refund or maintain the relationship with Susan. So now let's explain how should Brenda go about handling this complaint. At first and foremost, Brenda should call the Susan and arrange to have a meeting with her to look her into a complaint. During the meeting, Brenda should carry with her the new toner and the paper. She should firstly gently apologize her and inform that she is there for to listen her issue in the person. After Susan has raised her complaint, Brenda should ask Susan on how she basically want to this problem to be addressed. Brenda should then start explaining the issue of paper jamming and demonstrate with the correct paper. Similarly, she should also mention that how the communication gap between them lead to this situation and should praise her for being such a loyal customer since many years and also not being rude to her even after all this problem. After analyzing after analyzing the entire case, it seems like that there are many things that can be done to avoid this incident. To prevent this incident, it could be better if the Brenda has taken some step to build the relationship with Susan. It was her prime responsibility to get in touch with the shipping department to ensure that Susan that toner are shipped on the time. Regarding the wrong paper, Brenda should have provided enough training to Susan. Brenda assumed that everything was fine when it was not. She should frequently call Susan to check on how copier was performing even after the delivery. As such, Brenda could have realized the toner had not been delivered and the issue was with the shipping department. Brenda should have explained to the Susan on the product she purchasing, especially regarding to the speed of the copier. Lastly, Brenda should have on the various occasions to ask the shipping department regarding the Susan order to ascertain the progress of the delivery. You are analyzing the entire case. It seems like Brenda has a significant opportunity to increase the value to her relationship with Susan if she decided to stick with the NCC. As per the now, since Susan is not happy or freak out with the NCC, hence all the initiative that will be taken to repair the relationship will be noticed. Brenda can also fix the relationship through the frequent phone calls, personal visit, and even provide reward to her for being such a loyal client to the company. Also, giving some sort of discount on the product that Susan will purchase will definitely enhance the relationship with the company. If the company has any sort of compensation program, Susan should be included in such program. And lastly, to add the more value to the relationship, Brenda need to provide the excellent customer service care after the following incident and days to become. So these are the some reference through which I get the information and analyze the overall scenario.